today we're cooking up a storm. I have two recipes that I normally make when I'm hosting at home, and we're gonna try and make them using the microwave with air fry capacity. So we're making corn on the cob with coriander and lime butter, and some fish tacos with coriander and lime cream. The ingredients for my fish are obviously the hake, and for the seasoning with my hake, I've got oregano, I've got cumin, I've got paprika, I've got cayenne pepper, salt and pepper, I've got garlic and onion powder, and those are gonna go onto the fish before I steam it. And for my slaw, I've got carrots, I've got a bit of cabbage, I've got some mayonnaise, I've got some coriander, garlic, fresh lime, and some seasoning to give it life. To start, I'm going to take my fish and pet dry it because I need it nice and dry before I steam it. And I'm taking my spices and I'm putting them together to make a spice mix that is now ready for the oven. I've decided to steam the fish. It goes into the container and I'm adding 400 milliliters of water just to make sure it steams perfectly. There's immediate heat from the microwave, and it cooks for 8 minutes until it's nice and tender. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and start making my slaw. I've got cabbage and carrots mixed together. I've got mayonnaise on the side. I've got a bit of coriander and garlic and some lime juice. I'm mixing that all together. And while that waits for the fish, I'm gonna take my tacos and toast them slightly just to give them a bit of texture. What makes this dish lovely is just the fact that there's a combination of, there's a bit of crunch from the taco that's been toasted, and there's this beautifully steamed to perfection fish with this lime and coriander slaw that pulls it nicely together. But the magic for me is on the side, because I've got this corn on the cob that I'm serving with the coconut atchar mousse. So for the corn on the cob, I'm obsessed with grilled corn. Take the cob, brush it slightly with a bit of oil, put it in the microwave and air fry it for about 8 minutes. When it's done, it comes out and I brush it with the coriander and lime butter and finish it off with a generous spread of that coconut atchar mousse. This is such an inviting platter. It looks generous, it looks very hearty. You've got your tacos that you can dig in and just grab it one bite, and you've got your corn there with this mousse that's melting on the cob because it's nice and hot. The microwave makes it incredibly quick to make this meal. I love it because life happens in between, and you can make a great meal without spending hours in the kitchen. And just under 30 minutes, I've got this amazing platter in front of me, and my guests are going to be in for a feast.